Shoes take a lot of abuse, whether it's unforeseen storms, an unexpected backcountry detour, or just the regular grime of city life. But there's no need to let a few puddles keep your favorite white sneakers on the shelf. There are plenty of great products out there that can restore them to their original glory. Hi guys, in this video, we will look at the top 5 best shoe cleaners that are available on the market today. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Saphir Médaille Door Renovator Cream. For your fanciest leather footwear, Saphir is one of Shimanov's favorite brands, and the Renovator leather cleaner rakes in accolades across the internet. The Renovator deep conditions and rejuvenates leather using enriching nutrients from ingredients like beeswax and mink oil. If that sounds a little like your favorite hand lotion, keep in mind that leather is, essentially, skin, and thus still needs nourishment and moisture to prevent cracking. A little bit of this goes a long way. Just gently massage it into your shoes with a cloth and enjoy the results. At number 4, Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner. The top-selling Pink Miracle seems to live up to its name in terms of its cleaning power. The blend contains a mix of saddle soap, gentle oils, and conditioners to both clean and replenish your shoes. Note that it should only be used on washable materials, so anything that can't get a bit damp shouldn't be cleaned with it. It's also highly concentrated, so a little will go a long way. And as a nice bonus, it includes its own brush so you don't need to purchase any extra accessories. At number 3, Sneaker Lab Shoe Cleaner Wipes. If you're on the go, in a hurry, or simply don't want to mix up some cleaning liquid yourself, cleaning wipes are a great option. Sneaker Lab's individually wrapped wipes can easily be thrown in your carry-on and taken on the road. They're safe to use on leather, canvas, knit, and mesh. Even better, they use environmentally friendly probiotic cleaning solution without harsh chemicals. CJ Burgos, Director of Customer Experience for Cobbler Concierge and Jim's Shoe Repair, has a word of caution about wipes. However, even though delicate, they can rub off color if pressed down too hard. He warns, so proceed carefully. At number 2, Jason Markk Ready-to-Use Foam. Jason Markk is known for its extensive shoe care line, and the ready-to-use foam is one of its best sellers. No need for water or a mixing bowl. The foam is designed to provide the ideal ratio of cleaning solution and water without you having to do any math. Just apply the foam directly onto a brush and gently scrub your shoe in a circular motion. Then wipe it clean, no extra steps needed. The brand says the foam is safe on all materials, even suede and nubuck. Finally, at number 1, Fiebing Saddle Soap. Shimanov also likes Fiebing's products, and its saddle soap is popular for its pristine cleaning ability. It is, after all, originally designed for saddles, although your city strolls probably aren't kicking up the same level of dirt as life on the ranch. It's super mild and will leave the finish of your shoes intact while removing debris. Think of this more like a shampoo than a conditioner. The brand says it cleans leather and lubricates fibers but may deplete the natural oils in leather. It comes in black, white, and yellow so you can get the closest match to your kicks. Just apply it with a rag or sponge. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.